Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Today we have a Black Friday haul. So if you would like to see what I got in here from Gerard Cosmetics, then you know what to do. Just keep on watching. So guys, if you are new here, welcome. My name is Belinda. I'm a self-taught mature makeup artist here on YouTube. I like to do unboxings, tutorials, teaching techniques, reviews, skincare, hair tools, a little bit of everything to do with makeup and beauty. So if that sounds like something that you are interested in, and if you are a mature woman, then you have found the right place. So just hit that subscribe button and ring that bell if this tickles your fancy, and let's get into this unboxing. So if you follow me, you know I go hard for Gerard. I love Gerard Cosmetics. Okay, so this is Gerard Cosmetics was having a Black Friday deal all month long, and pretty much, and they had several things leading up to Black Friday. So this is, some of it is my PR, and then I spent about $50 extra over my PR because I just love my Gerard Cosmetics. I can't get enough of it. If you know, you know. It's that good. So we're going to go through here and we're going to see what all I got. So I picked up a little 3-pack of our mini setting sprays. These setting sprays are good to use as a primer if you don't have a primer. They are good to use as a primer. They're good to use as a setting spray. They're good to spray your brush and then dip into the glittery shimmers in your palette and put it right here in the inner corner in the brow bone, and then it sets your makeup in place all day long. So good. Let's see what we got. Oh my gosh, I've never smelled that. I think that one's a cucumber. This one would be, I think, rose. Yeah, that's the rose water. I have never smelled these before. That's why I'm smelling them. And no, this ain't coconut. What is this? This is clear. Ooh, that's lemongrass. And you know that came to my mind before I smelled it. Lemongrass. So we got lemongrass, cucumber, and rose water in a 3-pack of setting sprays. So this is awesome. That way you can try 3 different scents. And then the next thing I got is a new brow bar to go, because I'm starting to hit pan on my brow bar to go, and I don't want to be out of it. And I use mine for nose contour. It's the blonde to brunette is the perfect shade to contour your nose. I will show it to you. Oh, that's so aesthetically pleasing looking at brand new makeup. So this is a wax. This is the color, this is blonde and this is brunette, and this is the color I always contour my nose with. And you can even do an eye look with these. I've done it before with our Cocoa eye base and my 2 palettes. I created an eye look. You can contour your face with this if you want to, but it's perfect for the nose contour and your eyebrows. $6. It was 50% off. Okay, so I got me some more lashes. I know I just got like a bunch of pairs, but I got 3 pairs. I got 2 of the Realness. That's the ones that you can wear with glasses. And they're my favorite pair. And then I got another of Glow Up. I really like Glow Up a lot. Guys, these lashes are no joke. Seriously, get you some. If this goes up before the end of the month, get you some. Get you some. You will not regret it. You know, I just had to, because I have to have a backup for my backup. Clean canvas eye base and fair. I got another one of my favorite bullet lipsticks, which is Buttercup. My favorite color of all. It is so beautiful. That is so pretty. It's just the right amount of pink with a little bit of peach in it. It's just perfect. Just like a light peach. Peachy pink. And then I got another Bel Air. They were out of a lot of lip liners. Some of them wasn't even there, and some of them was there, but they were sold out. But I got Bel Air, and that's Bel Air. And I got another Melrose Place. So this is Melrose Place. And then I got another liner, or liners. I've used mine so much, I'm not lying, that you can't even read what's written on the side of it. It's gone. And then I got another Skinny Dip. That's one of my favorite shades. And this is Skinny Dip. This is one of my favorite shades to put in the middle with Share. Love it. Perfect. Perfect. Lips. And I got a Bel Air and a Mile High. Let me see if I can find those 2 shades, and I'll swatch those for you. Oh, here they are. Ecstasy and Skinny Dip. So Mile High is close to Skinny Dip. And then I got an Ecstasy. Some of the lip liners, so I tried to grab all of my favorites just in case those weren't coming back. So that is it. So I got, let's recap, I got 3 mini setting sprays. I got a new brow bar to go. I got 2 lip liner, or 3 lip liners, 2 in Bel Air and 1 in Melrose Place. I got a clean canvas in Fair. I got our liquid liner. 1 Mile High, 1 Buttercup Bullet Lipstick, 1 Share Hydromat Lipstick, 1 Ecstasy Lipstick, and 1 Skinny Dip Lipstick. Oh, and my lashes. 2 pairs of Realness and 1 pair of Glow Up. I'm telling you guys, Jen kills it every single time she goes to the lab to create something. She kills it. And that's why I say, if you know, you know. Gerard Cosmetics is that damn good. Everything I have tried, I really love. I really love everything from Gerard Cosmetics. It's been in business for 7 years. Jen is a complete angel sent from heaven. She's just such a sweet woman and so kind to all of us influencers, and just she's just a wonderful person. So if you guys would like to shop anything from Gerard Cosmetics, if our sale is not going on, then you can use my code BelindaMua to save 30% off. If the sale is going on, then you just use my link to order, and I still get it still gets counted if you go through my link. But please go check out Gerard Cosmetics. We even have an eyeshadow palette now. That's going to be next on my list. It's called No More Nudes. And it does have, it's a rainbow palette. So it does have all the colors in it that you could ever want to create a colorful eye look. And then our lashes, guys, I love these lashes. That liner is so good. It don't go nowhere, and it comes right off with my cellular water. I have had to scrub my eyeballs with that Clinique Clean Off the Day, with my Junko cleansing balm, with other magnetic liners. Not this one. It comes right off when you go to take it off. But yeah, check it out. Check out Gerard Cosmetics. Let me know, have you tried Gerard Cosmetics down in the comments? And if so, what was your favorite thing that you got? And if you have not tried Gerard Cosmetics, then you are missing out. Go get you some. Give this a big thumbs up if you liked this unboxing, and thank you, Jen, so much for the PR and all the wonderful things you do for us. I love you, and I love Yogi. And subscribe to this channel and you like makeup and beauty related content from a mature Southern woman from the South, then please hit that subscribe button and ring that bell so you don't miss an upload. And I will see you in the next one. Stay blessed.